Hello, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is May 19, 2025. This week, we're going to be upgrading our testnet, so look out for the announcement. And also next week, I will be in Prague. So if you guys are out there, reach out. But with that, let's get started with what everybody's up to this week. Tim?
Yeah, I'm working on some updates to the using Tellor layer package, NPM package, which probably no one knows about, but it's just a pretty brand new NPM package that makes it easier for Tellor layer users to install the dependency contracts they need for interacting with Tellor layer. So yeah, there's just a few updates to that need to be done. I'm also working on a presentation for Tellor Layer. Just kind of iterating on that for a presentation that has to be given a little bit down the line. And then making sure the upgrades I did for the testnet are looking good in production.
Awesome. Thank you, Tim. Akram?
Just doing some cleanup on the PR to make it ready to get merged for the daemon. That's what I'm doing right now.
And this one is the one that standardizes our data?
That allows the use of custom endpoints to get to be able to submit reports on layer
All right.
for things that are not supported by the price fetcher.
Thanks, Akram. Dan?
I am looking into bundling transactions, how to do that.
Thanks, Dan.
Documenting the no stake stuff.
Yeah, I added a ADR.
Oh, very nice. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, we'll have to think about where we want to put that on the actual documentation. Because it's like, it is different. So, but yeah. Thanks.
Caleb?
I'll be testing the upgrade locally and then going through a checklist of some sanity checks to make sure everything's looking good. Probably talk to Tim, make sure I know what he changed to verify that stuff works. And then I am working on a Docker setup that is 99% done. I'm trying to figure out, for some reason, it is struggling of all things with networking speed. It is like not getting transactions in fast. So I'm missing like report windows. So trying to figure out how that could be happening locally. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just a networking setup thing that I messed up.
So you're hoping to be done with that today?
Depending on how the upgrade test goes, yeah, I'm hoping to get that done. And then after that's done, I'm gonna write the article.
Okay. And then we got some monitoring stuff.
Yeah.
Putting together. Want to get that stuff done too. Cool.
Right, Brian?
Still just working on trying to wrap up this withdrawal functionality for the bridge page. It's taking a lot longer than I thought it was going to. Want to try to wrap it up today. Tim helped kind of make sure I was on the right track last week, so yep, just trying to wrap that up.
Awesome. Nick? How was your trip to New York?
Oh, yeah. No, it was really good. Went up to the TLDR conference last week. The latest in DeFi research. So it was really good. Had lots of good conversations with a bunch of people. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of like we're not only on like the bleeding edge of crypto stuff. It really is kind of the bleeding edge of like financial innovations. As far as like order book mechanisms and things like that. So it's cool to see all the research coming out. Yeah, made some good connections. Some fun stuff. Hopefully I can get in the works. Got another deep dive coming this week too. Doing that in a couple days, doing it with Grace. I'm not going to pronounce her last name. But she's run community currencies for like the past 20 years, and then has also done like non-market based mechanisms in crypto land. So it's going to be a fun one. So yeah.
Right, then we'll see you guys next week.
Yeah, well.